Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating playlists on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the YouTube app and find some videos you want to save into a playlist. Load the video. Press down on the Save button underneath the video. Tap New Playlist. Give your playlist a name and select its privacy options. Your new playlist will now be created with that video inside it. Head over to your channel and select the Playlists tab to view it. You can organise the playlist here. You can rename it, add a description, reorder the video list and also delete it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.